What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod coming back with a brand new video. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm putting out a lot of content to help eBay and PoshMark sellers be successful. Also, smash this like button if you like videos like this where you can gain information about how to sell things on eBay and PoshMark. And if you got any questions or suggestions for future videos, just drop that in the comment section because I get back to everybody and I try to answer you guys as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. As you guys know, I sell things on eBay and I sell on PoshMark as well. And some items only go on eBay, meanwhile some items only go on PoshMark. And there are most of my items that I cross list or cross post, whatever you want to call it, and that means they go on both platforms. And I made a video on how to do that, so I'll put that in the cards as well. But anyway, recently somebody asked me a question and said, have I ever sold an item on eBay and on PoshMark at the same time? And luckily at that time, that's never happened to me because anytime something sells on a platform first, I would just delete it from the other as soon as possible. But I don't know what exactly happened. A few days ago, an item sold on PoshMark first and I accepted an offer for that item, and the same item ended up selling on eBay for full asking price. So of course I still had the item in hand, so I was wondering, should I go ahead and follow through with my PoshMark order or just go ahead with my eBay order? And what it came down to is the fact that on PoshMark, if you was to cancel an order, there's no repercussions and everything is basically good. You just cancel it and the buyer gets back their money. However, if you was to cancel an order on eBay, you would get a transaction defect, meaning your item was out of stock or it was damaged, and that could hurt your account. And right now I'm a top rated seller, so that means I get a discount on shipping and on fees.
I'll make it rain all day long.
So I don't want to jeopardize that discount because it definitely, goes a long way at the end of the day. So what I ended up doing was canceling that PoshMark order and going ahead with the eBay order. And not only was I making more money on eBay, but like I said, there was no repercussion for canceling that PoshMark order. Only thing is that the PoshMark buyer missed out on the item. But I had to do what I had to do, and I ended up canceling that order and went through with the eBay order and everything was fine. So this was like a lucky instance where I was able to maneuver. But one thing that I thought of was that if this was to ever happen again and I didn't have the item in hand, as long as the item isn't rare or unique or vintage or something super special, just drop ship the order. Buy the item from a different seller and change the address and have that item shipped to another buyer. It's still kind of risky, but if this was to ever happen, that's just something that I thought of, and I figured that could help you guys out in the long run if this was to ever happen to you, because I know cross listing and cross posting is very popular. Everybody's doing it, and it's just a better way to put your items in front of a larger audience. So like I said, I made a video on how to cross list and how to cross post, so that's definitely in the cards as well, and I'll put that in the description so you guys can learn more about that. But if you guys like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, just engage so we could keep this conversation going, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.